In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello my dear students. أهلا بطلابي الأعزاء طلاب مدارس ثانوية الأوس الصف الأول الثانوي، طلاب مجموعات التقوية النظامية. اليوم يا شباب إن شاء الله نتكلم عن الدرس رقم 18، وفي الدرس بتاعنا في فوكاب وفي جرامر. طيب خلونا نركز في الجزء الخاص بالفوكاب. We will read these words twice or 3 times. Okay, repeat after me and try to get the meaning of these words. Opportunity, opportunity, opportunity. Pray, pray, pray. Hunt, hunt, hunt. Rely, rely, rely. Community, community, community. Depend, depend, depend. Okay. طبعا هنا يا شباب لو حبينا if we want to translate these words into Arabic, the opportunity means a chance, فرصة. Okay. This word pray, pray هو الفريسة. Okay, the animal which another animal killed it to eat it. Okay. The word hunt means catch, يصطاد. Rely, maybe rely on means depend on, يعتمد. Okay, and this word depend أيضا also the same meaning. يعتمد, rely on, depend on, يعتمد على. Community بمعنى مجتمع. Okay. Okay, read it again. Opportunity, pray, hunt, rely, community, depend. These words we must read it and keep them in spelling and try to use these words in new sentences on your own. Okay. Now we will move to another section in this lesson. It's grammar. Our grammar today about conditional sentence type 2. Okay, about conditional sentence type 2. We use conditional sentence type 2 for unreal or imaginary situations which are unlikely to happen in the present or future. Again, we use a conditional sentence type 2. بنستخدم الحالة الشرطية الثانية for unreal or imaginary situations للمواقف الغير حقيقية أو المواقف الخيالية which are likely to happen in the present or the future التي ربما تحدث في المضارع أو في المستقبل. Because we answer or be explained the first conditional sentence, okay, and we told you that the first conditional sentence type 1 or the first refer to situations which may happen, okay, or possibilities which may happen in the present or in the future. But in condition number 2 refer to situations which are unreal or imaginary but in the present or the future. Okay, the formation of the conditional sentence type 2. If past simple, okay, would or could base form. As we all know, the if sentences has two clauses, okay, the if clause and the main clause. In the if clause we use the past simple, okay, so the word if is followed by past simple. The main clause would or could past infinitive or base form. For example, if I had, okay, with the verb had, it is in the past. If I had enough money, I would buy a bigger flat. If I had enough money, look here, if is followed by past simple, another verb, the main clause would infinitive. Okay, the situation is imaginary or unreal in the present. I don't have enough money, but I imagine this, and I say if I had enough money, I would buy a bigger flat. Okay, I can begin with if. ينفع يا شباب نبدأ ب if. اوكي. وايضا يبقى هنا ممكن نبدأ بالif clause، وهنا ممكن نبدأ بالmain clause. في المثال اللي تحت you could get that job. Look here, you could get that job. This is the main clause. If you talk, also the same rule. If is followed by past simple, another verb, could infinitive or would infinitive. Okay, here when I begin with if clause, if past simple, another clause would infinitive or could infinitive. But the difference between them, if I begin with if, I put comma, right comma between the two clauses. Okay, but if I begin with the main clause, so if connect the two clauses, so I don't need a comma here. Okay, understand? In conditional sentence type 2, where is often used instead of was in the if clause. Look here, this example. If I were you, this is the past, yeah, but we know the verb to be in the past may be was or were, and the second form of the verb to be was or were. Okay, according to the rule, if subject I, he, she, it, singular noun, I use was. Okay, but here I use were. I use were because this if clause. So if you use the verb to be, the past, the second form of the verb to be in if clause, we only use were, not use was. Okay, whether subject is singular or plural, we use what? We use were. So if I were you, I would take. This word would. Okay, someone can ask me and can tell me this may be a short of would, or it may be a short of had, but how can I differentiate between apostrophe D if it is referred to would or if it is referred to had? There is a difference between them. At first, I look at the main verb after it. Okay, if the verb in infinitive, so it is short of would. Okay, but if this verb in the past participle, the third form of the verb, it refers to had. Also, if there is rather, would rather, but if there is better, had better. Okay, you understand the difference between the apostrophe D if it is referred to would or had? Okay, I hope you understand it well. Wishes. We will move to another point here in this session. I talk about wishes. Okay, when we talk about wishes, we use wishes past simple to make a wish about the present situation which we would like to be different. If you wish something in present or in the future, you use wish past simple. Okay, look here to the example. I wish I didn't have to take any more exams. I wish I didn't have this past simple, but this past simple is verb in the negative form, so I use didn't plus infinitive. As we know, we use didn't in the past simple, so this word wish is followed by past simple. Although we wish something at present or in the future, but this is the rule. If you wish something at present or in the future, we use wish plus past simple. Okay, also we can use wish could, and as we notice, could, this is the past of the modal verb can. Could base infinitive to express regret about something we cannot do at the present. للتعبير عن الندم عن موقف لا تستطيع أن تفعله أيضا في البريزنت في المضارع. I wish I could help you. كنت أتمنى لو أقدر أساعدك. أنا بتكلم هنا يا شباب على situation in present. Okay, but I use could, not I don't use can. You understand? So we usually use where after all persons in wishes. I wish this course were easier. Notice this. I wish this course. I don't use the course is singular, so I can use was. No, in this rule, like this rule in the past, in the if, in the past simple. If I were you, also here wish is followed by were if I use the past simple. If I want to use the past simple of the verb to be, I don't use was but I use were. Okay. I hope you understand our lesson today. Thank you, my dear students. Goodbye now.